Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. Get ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be amidst you all this morning to inaugurate this seminar on international sports, which is being organized by the Arjuna Awardees Association under the auspices of the Sports Authority of India. At the outset, I should like to say that the seminar, which is the first of its kind, would not have been an international one but for the presence of distinguished delegates both from different parts of India and from abroad who have taken all the troubles to come all the way to Delhi for being with us. You are meeting here today to discuss such important matters as sports for developing countries, sports for all, relevance of sports for national economy, and racialism in sports. You all have outstanding achievements for your credit in one sport or game, or in the promotion or administration or organization of sports in your countries. Your presence on this occasion is not only a symbol of the continuing concern of the nation's commitments to develop sports, but also an indication of the fact that sports and games are the cementing factors in building up mutual understanding and friendship among different countries of the world. Almost all of us present here today are from the developing countries with mutually shared aspirations and common dreams. In the past, much emphasis had not been laid on the importance of sports and games, but a real awareness has now been created in the minds of the people about the urgent necessity and need for involvement of masses in the various sports events. I would like to mention that sports and games are an important and integral part of human resource development. They reflect not only the commitments of individuals and communities, but also serve as a tool for bringing peoples of all countries of the world together. Sports and games have been an essential part of our ancient cultural heritage. There is no doubt that all the developing countries of the world have their own heritage in sports and games. I wish that all the delegates participate actively in the discussions. My best wishes for a successful seminar. Dear sir, we deal in bleaching powder and other chemicals for dyeing a cloth and would like to know if you can supply us with our requirements from time to time. Our firm is represented in many important towns in the state, and the turnover of our business runs to over 10 lakhs of rupees every month. Besides, we have our own branches at many important weaving and spinning centers manufacturing different varieties of cloth. We have been purchasing our requirements from the local market to execute the orders, but would like to have a standing contract with a reputed firm who can meet all our requirements. This will ensure not only the possibility of securing uniformly good quality material, but also the steady supply of our goods. If you are willing to open business connections with us, we would like to know the terms and conditions. It would be sufficient for us if the ordered quantity under various kinds of goods are sent to reach us by the 10th of every month in one or two consignments. It would also be advantageous if the delivery is made at 2 or 3 places in the state where we have branches, as we have convenient storage facilities in all these places. As regards payment, we shall remit through our bankers 25% of the cost of the goods on receipt, and the balance shall be cleared after the final checking and acceptance at our end. On hearing from you the further steps that should be taken in the matter will be initiated in consultation with our partners at Bombay. Yours faithfully. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 18th instant in response to our advertisement in the newspapers regarding the sale of our coffee estate in Hassan. We are glad to inform you that the price of rupees 40 lakhs offered by you for the estate may be agreeable to us, but we are not in a position to accept it at this stage and give you our decision immediately, as the matter has to be placed before the board of directors of the company. We are proposing to place this matter before the board for its consideration and decision at the next meeting to be held in a few days. We shall inform you of the decision of the board of directors in due course. In the last paragraph of your letter, you have mentioned a number of liabilities. We are prepared to give you guarantee with regard to the payment of agricultural income tax. But as far as the other liabilities are concerned, we wish to discuss the matter with you across the table and come to an early decision. We shall let you know the date and time of the meeting well in advance. As desired by you, we will be in a position to accept rupees 10 lakhs in the first instance and allow you to pay the balance within a period of 6 months. We hope to send you a further letter in a month briefing you the liabilities part. We would like to request you to wait on us for some time to fix the meeting. Thanking you, meanwhile, yours faithfully. That's all.